These three ways will help you make lots of money while being in college. Everyone wants to make lots of money, but they don't know how to make their first 1 lakh rupees, especially while being in college or while preparing for some competitive examinations. The methods I am going to share with you will help you start making money without investment and with very limited resources. Nothing more than you already have. Let's get started. The third best way to make money while in college is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate money because you don't have to create any product or services, manage shipping or customer services. You just need to bring in some sales for a product or services and you get paid for that. That's all you need to do. You can do that with various sources. Wherever you can find audience base, be it a Facebook group, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or maybe a Quora forum. If you want to go advanced and want full control over your audience, you can start a blog or a YouTube channel for that. Now the commission per sale could be from 1% to 100% of the sale amount. Suppose you are promoting Amazon products. You will get anywhere from 1% to 9% on every sale you make. But there are some companies that even pay more than the sale amount. Some of them also share recurring revenue. You will get paid every time that customer renews their services. Now you might be thinking, कितना पैसा बना सकते हैं ये बताओ? Well, it totally depends on the affiliate program you are promoting and the numbers of sales you can bring in. To give you an example, one of my friend was promoting hosting services and in November 2021, he made over 1.57 lakh rupees in just 1 week just by using WhatsApp stories and Facebook posts. Now this is the best example I have, but I was also promoting various hosting services and वहाँ से मैंने भी ठीक-ठाक पैसे कमाए. I will share some of the best affiliate program you can join in the next video. So अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लो. Now comes the second best ways to make money while in college. Freelancing. This is the best and fastest way to make money when you have a skill set but no money to invest. I started freelancing in my 12th standard and did that for almost 8 months. And if I had no money but some skills, I would definitely think of starting my career with freelancing. The best part about freelancing is that you don't need thousands of customer base. You can just start cold emailing to your dream clients or pro freelancers use these marketplaces to sell their services. I used to join Facebook groups and comment on the post of people looking to hire. Then we would discuss the project and start working on that. The problem with this method is that you don't get all those good reviews at one place to show your next client. So you have to do some extra hard work every time you want to close a client. That's not the smart way. You should create your profile on these marketplaces. You can also DM them on LinkedIn or Instagram. Convince them to hire you by showing your previous work. Now that's the challenging part when you just starting out. People want to see your previous work, but you didn't get the work, so you don't have anything to show. Now this problem has a simple solution. Create for free. Build a basic portfolio and then start approaching people. Suppose you are a web developer, you can create some websites, host them on free hosting services and start spamming. I mean approaching. बात बराबर ही है. If you are pitching for graphic designing, you can create some cool graphics, upload them on Instagram or websites like Dribbble or Behance, and then start pitching. Similarly, if you are pitching for social media management, you can start your own Facebook or Instagram pages, work on that, show what you can achieve for your client by doing that exact thing on your page. That's how you will close clients easily. Now the question comes, कितना पैसा छाप सकते हैं? तो देखो, it again depends on the services you are providing and the number of clients you close every month. When I used to freelance, I used to make anywhere between 10,000 to 30,000 in a month. एक महीने में I even made 67,000 rupees और मेरे घर वालों को पता चल गया. और फिर
तुम्हें 50 बार बोल रहे हैं, अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो.
अब आते हैं फर्स्ट बेस्ट वे टू मेक मनी इन 2023 while being in college, and you can say it's an upgraded version of freelancing but smarter than that. So I am talking about drop servicing. Most parts it's look exactly like freelancing, but instead of completing the gig yourself, you can outsource these gigs to other freelancers and make a commission in between. The best part of drop servicing is that you don't need money and you also don't need any skills. You approach some potential potential clients, you close the deal and then hire some other freelancer to do that exact work for cheaper than the cost you closed for. I haven't done drop servicing myself, but one of my friend is using this exact method to make lakhs per month. You can start this business from your home. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. These were the 3 ways, but I have a bonus for you. Content creation. Content creation में अगर सफल हो गए तो you will not only make lots of money, but you will also improve your skills like script writing, video editing, communication and presentation, and some other soft skills as well. Content creation can help you build a strong personal brand, which you can use in various ways. Once you start creating content on social media, there are several ways to make money. For example, you can start your own agency, like Ishan Sharma started MarketUp, Ayush Shukla started Finet Media, and Ranveer Alavadia also started Monkey. You can create your own online course that almost every creators are doing these days, like Amrish Varti sir, aka Mahatma Ji Technical, started We Make Creators. Ankur Wadiku sir launched several courses and made crores of rupees. You can also write a book if you are expert in your field, like Ankur Wadiku sir launched Do Epic Shit, Raj Samani launched Build Don't Talk, and Shweta wrote the rudest book ever. You can also launch your own product or applications, like Zishan Sheikh launched OBV, online video books, A2 Motivation launched Conquer app, and Hemant Panch launched his Giggle audiobook app. There are lots of examples, and the best part about these methods is that you already have some audience that may be interested in your courses or application, and that's why it's easy to promote and market your product. We have examples like Aman Dhattarwal, Alak Pandey, and Dr. Vivek Bindra sir, who created $1 billion businesses through content creation on YouTube. But if you don't want headache of creating and managing any product or courses, you can always go with affiliate marketing. You must have seen these links on almost every video description. These are affiliate links, and whenever someone clicks on these links and buy anything from Amazon, the creator make money. As simple as that. And the biggest source of income that content creators have is brand deals or sponsorship. They charge lakhs of rupees per video. Now the most challenging part of being a content creator is to create high quality videos. Some of us are very conscious about our looks and feel shy to show our faces on camera, but now we have AI tools that we can use to create a faceless YouTube channels. But even before AI tools was available, channels like Mahatma Ji Technical, Factiz, and Seekend and Giggle and several other channels made lots of money and audience base without showing their face. Now, if I still fail to convince you to start creating content, you still have these 3 ways to make lakhs in college. But if you want to create your faceless YouTube channel, you can watch this video on your right.